is Shari Celestin, and I'm the Information Technology Educator at Providence Community Center. Today's activity, we're going to do juice box and paint. So grab your favorite juice box and your paint brushes and let's begin. The supplies that you'll need today are a canvas or a piece of paper that can hold paint, paint brushes, paint, a pencil, water for cleaning your brushes, and your favorite juice box for drinking because painting is hard work. We're going to start by drawing your face. You can grab a mirror so that you can study your features, and then you want to make sure that your drawing is in the middle of the paper or the canvas, whichever you're using. Only draw your face. I'm going to finish painting mine and then we'll come back. So go ahead and pause it right here and I'll be right back with you. All right, it looks great. So now you're going to take your pencil, you're going to go in and create 2 lines coming down from your face that you created to create your neck. And then you're going to go in, you're going to draw 2 sets of parallel lines, okay? At the end of the first set, you're going to draw a circle. That's going to be your hands, and you're going to draw a circle at the end of the next set as well. Then you're going to come in from this bottom line and extend it. Okay, and look at this line as well. You're going to extend that, and that's going to be your body. All right, once you do that, draw a line here. Okay, so now you're flying. Can't see it just yet, but you'll see as we go. All right, so once you do that part, you're going to create a line here. This is going to be your cape. All right, so from here, we're going to start and we're going to fill this part in. Choose whatever color you like for your outfit. I'm going to do red for mine, and I'm going to go ahead and paint that, and we'll check back in when we're done, okay? And finish our body, filling it in with color. We're going to add little lines here for the fingers. It's going to be like a fist if you're flying. And then to finish it off, we're going to write a strength here in your cape. So mine, I'm going to write creative and artistic. You know what, I'll do one more. I'll do funny. Okay, so you're gonna go in, finish those with paint, any color you like, and then we can fill in the background and you'll be done. All right, don't forget to take a sip of your juice box. Painting is hard work, so you want to refuel. Okay, and here we have our superhero self-portrait, highlighting your strengths in your cape. Don't forget to go around the edges and paint them for a more professional look, okay? And last but not least, don't forget to sign your signature. It's very important that you are proud of your work and you sign your name. I hope you enjoyed today's activity and we'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.